Hey Vintage Beauty, so it's your girl Vintage Sister once again in the same outfit because I literally just got finished filming my outfit of the day. I have Miss J Divine right here. Guess what we are going to do today? You know what? My makeup is kind of popping, y'all. Anyway, J lip gloss is popping. Show them, mommy. Like this. Anyway, we are going to bedazzle these fanny packs. Yes, we are going to bedazzle these fanny packs. And by bedazzle, I mean I'm going to add a couple of letters and Jay going to do her thing. Stay tuned. We are going to be filming at the same time because, as you know, Jaden has her channel. But I'm going to try to focus on you guys while Jay is doing her thing. So if I'm looking back and forth like a ping pong, it is because I am also over here with Jay on her channel. Right, mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. So my auntie Lulu got me and my daughter this bag. Let me just first give a shout out to you, Auntie Lulu. Ilonda, if you are watching this, tell Auntie Lulu to watch this so she can see. She is like the auntie of the century. Since I was a little girl, she has always been there for us. Me and my 8 siblings. My 7 siblings, because it's 8 of us. She has always been there for us. Like, she's the auntie of the century. Like, the best auntie ever. Always been there for us. When my mom was doing it all by herself, my auntie would take me school shopping. Even to this day, my Betsy Johnson black and white bag, it was brand new. I got that from my auntie. Even to this day, like, I'm the biggest brat and she calls me Goody. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, she is like the best person ever, and she really cares and loves us even as adults, and it's just in her nature. It's who she is. So thank you, Auntie Lulu, and it's going down to the next generation because she went ahead and got my little tunker fanny pack as well. So I love my Auntie Lulu because she's awesome. And yeah, so Ilonda, make sure you tell your mama to watch this, okay, boo? Anyway, let's get right into it. We went to Michael's to pick up some stuff. We only got a few things. I'm not trying to do much. This is our first fanny pack. I don't want to ruin it, but I'm gonna do something simple like Vintage Sister. That's probably all I'm gonna put on mine right in this little part. But let's show you the fanny pack though. This is so cute. She got it from downtown LA for $5. Huh? See, Carlton, my husband over there talking mess. Babe, come say hi. Okay, you know how he is, y'all. Y'all already know. I said that just for the fun of it because you know he ain't coming over here. So, mommy, let's show him our fanny pack. You got to talk too. You recording. Girl, they not going to see you saying nothing.
You're talking.
My bad. Okay, say something, mommy. What you going to say? Okay, Carlton.
I don't know what to say.
Okay, come on. Let's show him our fanny pack. So,
they have a back zipper. You could probably put your phone in.
Yes. Oh, look, mommy. It's a zipper right here, too. Oh, yeah, I know about that zipper because all my stuff is in there. And then we have...
zippers.
It's a side zipper? Shut the front door. Babe, seriously, shut the front door. Okay, so we have these little... I didn't even know that, y'all. This fanny pack game is real.
What's a fanny cap? It's
so
like this,
it has a lot of compartments. Like, this is going to be, you know what? Every thrifter needs this fanny pack. Like, every thrifter. Because I will change my bag. I have to wear over the shoulder. What do you call them? Whatever. But I have to wear a bag over the shoulder. Like, I can't have a bag like this because it disrupts the thrift flow. So I have to have a over. But you could wear it like that, mommy, but it defeats the purpose of having a fanny pack. Fanny all the way. Fanny pack all the way. So every thrifter needs a fanny pack. Why? Because it frees your hands. You don't have anything on your side. You don't have to worry about anybody trying to even go in your purse. I have a bad habit of not zipping my purse when I go everywhere, and my mom always says, Johnny, zip your purse. So, anyway, you know what? I'm kind of liking the raspiness that this bronchitis has given my voice. Kind of feeling it. And, what, Carlton? He over here talking mess. Y'all know, I will bring that camera right over there.
Hello.
Jaden trying to show y'all this. Her camera is right to this side over there. Okay, so without further ado, look at the stuff we have. We have some fabric glue.
And then we have some of these bling stickers. They're called bling stickers.
So show it in your camera and like this. And then what else, Mommy?
Confetti stickers.
So I
but we
went
actually
straight.
have to glue this on.
I went straight to the clearance section, and this is actually like wedding stuff, but who cares? The letters are small enough, and it's gonna get what I need done.
So it's a themed one, high school band.
So Jaden is gonna use this. Of course, I'm not gonna put this on mine.
And then we have wedding ones to decorate.
Mm-hmm.
We have two of them.
Yeah. So these are little sparkles. You can put it up to your camera. There you go, Mommy. And so, because I have gold and silver, it has gold and silver lettering. I may do both. We were looking at a lot of stuff.
There's a certain one that we use.
Oh, it is?
For jewel it.
Oh,
And then this is
sew
okay
it.
to wash it. And then,
Okay.
And then no sew.
Okay.
Just fabric glue.
Nice. I just thought it came with 3 and we were in the game. This was only $3, you guys. So for all this stuff, we spent a little over $8. So under $9. 3 different type of fabric glues and everything. So hopefully I don't have to take my stuff out because I still have my stuff in there. But we are going to just go ahead and bedazzle this. So come on, Mommy, let's open this stuff up. Get these little letters out.
Get this. What is it called again?
Oh, why are these letters like that? Are you serious? Let me move my camera back a little so you guys can see. There we go. Sorry, Mommy.
You guys can't see mine though.
Oh, yeah, you can move it down. Let's see. She said, what about the lighting?
Mom!
There we go. Is that better? Okay. So, here we go. I am going to spell out. Oh, they have a lot of Mr. and Mrs. Lord Jesus, y'all. That's what I get for going to the clearance. Oh, my God. You guys. Oh, my God. Are you serious?
What?
I'm finna scream. It's only Mr. and Mrs. That's what this whole thing. Are you?
Well, it is wedding stuff, Mom. And that's your fault.
God. Ugh. I just knew I was gonna write out vintage sister. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna put Mrs. on there. What the? Pepper just jumped.
She saw the lizard. There's a lizard outside when my mom was recording her outfit of the day. We saw it.
Okay, so Mommy, I'm just gonna put Mrs. You can put all that other stuff you want. Because tell me there is a gold Mrs. Are you serious? I feel like I was bamboozled. Like Jaden said, it was the
marriage.
Oh, I should have just got those other letters, Mommy. But guess what you told me?
They were too big.
I don't think they would have been. Now it makes me want to go back.
So the Mr. Man or more like gold and girls and more like silver. I think that's what it's trying to tell you.
Okay, so that's not cute, but whatever. I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to use this glue right here.
They don't show like wearing on that.
Bless you.
Thank you. We're gonna need the scissors up in here. Excuse me, John.
Yep, because I got to, get the scissors. We got to cut this top. You guys, that just kind of
Disappoints her.
It really does, because I was going to put vintage sister, but I may just go back and just add to it later. I don't feel like going right now. We may go play. Our babe, are we going to go play tennis?
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna go play tennis, but I don't think we can record that.
Wait, do
So-
we even still have our tennis rackets?
We do.
Yeah,
they're in the garage somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Which is good, because I was really disappointed if they
Oh,
were.
God.
No
Get a little
sew.
green.
Fabric grew. I said grew.
What is fabric glue?
It's like
Hey,
Gru from the movie Minions.
I didn't
Carson, give me some too.
No.
I'm recording a video, so.
Not me.
But I'm
So,
recording a video.
Mrs.
Ah! I hate when it gets stuck on my thumb.
So this is how this looks so far. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then maybe I could just bedazzle at the top, and then I'll put Mrs. Vintage Sister. So when I go get the other letters, so it's not going to be gold. I can't believe this, you guys. Oh, but you know what? What is this?
A star on it. Take this.
Oh, hashtag Mrs. Hashtag Mrs.
Oh yeah, that will work good. So you won't be.
Oh, and this one sticks right on.
He's starting to get to his records.
Hashtag Mrs. I like this. Okay. You might. This don't stick by itself?
Oh, Mom.
I took it off, the thing off, because it was still too big.
Okay, huh?
It was like 3D.
Okay, let's see. Oh my God.
See, these are like 3D, you guys.
Oh my goodness, Jay, these are single. So Vintage Beauties, about 30 minutes later, and this is all I did. I'm done. I'm gonna still go get the stickers for Vintage Sister, and I'm gonna put that right there, and I am done. Like, this is sloppy. It's not even cute, y'all. So at the end of the day, I may actually take these off. I'm gonna get the Vintage Sister put on there, but that's about it.
I'm still working on mine.
Yeah, Jaden's doing good. She got all kind of stuff though. Like, she just going with the flow. I was trying to have a theme, so I got hashtag Mrs.
And then it would say Vintage Sister.
It would have just said Vintage Sister, but because this disappointed me and was a whole bunch of Mr. and Mrs. Like, what would you do with that?
Well, for weddings.
Yeah, but what would you make? Like, seriously, like, I don't see the point of that. Anyway, this is as far as my Bedazzle got. Y'all saw what Jay do. She got a whole bunch of glue, I'll tell you that much. This is all I got. Let's see how this looks on. You know what? Actually, it's still cute. It's bootleg. It's all get out. But it's still cute because it does add a little bit of Bedazzle. So, you know, it did a job. It gave me this bootleg. I accomplished my goal. And so, at the end of the day, it is what it is, right? So, that's all I got for about 45 minutes. Because you saw about 10 minutes of this struggle. 17. The struggle is real. I should have put hashtag the struggle is real. But this is hashtag Mrs. And then I'm going to put Vintage Sister. And I'm done. Like, I'm done. I'm not bedazzling ever again. I'm done. No more bedazzle for me. Until next time, Vintage Beauties. It's your girl, Vintage Sister. And I have my J-Bay right here. She's going to keep on working on her video. But your girl is done. I'm tired. I am out of this. Okay? Deuces.